Natural remedies. Stay with nature and stay healthy. Licorice root, also called sweet root, as it contains a compound that makes it 50 times sweeter than sugar. Primarily known for its ability to heal the gastrointestinal system, licorice root benefits the human body in numerous other ways. Thanks to the glycyrrhizin, the root helps fight cancer and inflammation. Other important bioactive compounds in licorice root help boost brain function and aid diabetes treatment, while the fiber helps in weight loss. Licorice root might also be beneficial for the skin and hair. 1. Improves gastrointestinal health. Talking about conditions like acid reflux, licorice root can do a great job. And this is especially true with DGL, or deglycyrrhizinated licorice, a form of licorice root, which we will discuss in a little while. DGL is known to increase mucus production, and this can protect the stomach lining from excess acid. Licorice is also known to treat ulcers. The root can also treat heartburn and acid reflux associated with GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, and its other symptoms like vomiting and nausea. 2. Assists cancer treatment. One American study talks about how licorice and its derivatives can offer protection against carcinogenic DNA damage. The polyphenols in the root also induce cancer cell death, as per the study. In fact, some amount of research states that licorice can work better than chemotherapy in killing cancer cells. In fact, its action is selective, it protects the healthy cells in the process, unlike chemotherapy that destroys everything. The glycyrrhizin in licorice induces cancer cell death in prostate cancer too. Studies reveal its therapeutic potential against prostate cancer. 3. Aids diabetes treatment. This might appear counterintuitive, given that licorice is 50 times sweeter than sugar and all. But research revelations are surprising. The molecules in licorice root are found to possess anti-diabetic properties. And what's even better, these molecules are very well tolerated by the human body. More interestingly, diabetic rats that were given licorice extract experienced a drop in their blood sugar levels. A couple of substances in licorice, namely glabridin and amrafrutin, were deemed responsible for this benefit. 4. Can help with weight loss. Studies have some interesting results here. One study showed that intake of 3.5 grams of licorice a day could reduce body fat by 4%. And licorice also contains fiber, which might help one feel full. Preliminary research also states how licorice can decrease body fat mass. The root also has desirable effects on the thickness of body fat. Studies have also shown how supplementing with licorice flavonoid oil might reduce obesity. Licorice tea might also help reduce body fat. 5. Boosts liver health. The anti-inflammatory properties of licorice have been found to protect the liver from alcohol-induced injury. The root is also known to improve the antioxidant defense in the condition. Studies have also shown how licorice root can offer relief in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The same is true with other liver ailments like jaundice. Licorice root extract might also help with detoxification. 6. Fights inflammation. Licorice root is particularly effective in treating inflammation of the digestive tract. The glycyrrhizin in the root also inhibits tissue inflammation by reducing the generation of reactive oxygen species, or ROS. Licorice, as per studies, can protect against chronic inflammation and related conditions like arthritis. 11. Further research also states how licorice acts like the body's natural corticosteroids, compounds that reduce inflammation. The root also prevents the production of certain enzymes that are responsible for inflammation. 7. Boosts brain health. One compound in licorice, namely carbonics alone, was found to reduce stress and slow down brain aging. In addition, it was also found to keep mental skills sharp. Another compound in licorice, called licorice, was found to have a positive effect on brain cells, and as a consequence, could also prevent Alzheimer's. And as per report by the Northwest Parkinson's Foundation, licorice root extract could also help prevent other brain diseases and even improve memory. 8. Enhances immunity. Licorice root has antiviral and antimicrobial properties, and these can help boost immunity. In fact, the glycyrrhizin in licorice can stimulate immunity and help fight several viral infections, as per studies. It also prevents other bacterial and fungal infections. Licorice root also plays a great role in relieving cough and other ailments of the respiratory tract. It cures colds and soothes a sore throat as well. The root also coats the throat with a thin film of mucus, and this protects the delicate tissues in there. It also helps clear congestion from the lungs and bronchial tubes, thereby helping bring up phlegm. 9. Might improve male fertility. Studies have shown how licorice root can help treat erectile dysfunction. The root improves overall health on a cellular level. It also has beneficial effects on male hormonal levels. 15. According to another Italian study, licorice intake might also increase serum testosterone levels, which directly impact fertility. 11. Relieves symptoms of PMS and menopause. Licorice root is known to offer relief from menstrual cramps. It can moderate the spasms and alleviate pain. The root has an estrogen-like effect in women, and this helps relieve symptoms of PMS and menopause. In one study, licorice was found to be much better than therapy in reducing the duration of hot flashes. 11. Betters oral health. Research has shown that licorice root can cut cavities and gum disease. Two of the important compounds in licorice, namely licoricidin and licorice, were found to be the most effective in inhibiting the growth of bacteria that cause cavities. The root also helps prevent periodontitis, which is a serious oral disease that destroys the gums and bones and tissues that maintain the teeth. 19. The root is also known to naturally freshen breath. And it prevents tooth decay as well. 12. Aids sleep. One type of licorice root, called Glycyrrhiza glabra, is known to induce sleep and even increase sleep duration. Two other compounds in licorice root, namely gabrol and licorice, also help induce sleep. They also reduce the time required to fall asleep. More importantly, these compounds increase the length of non-REM sleep without disturbing deep sleep.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you know any successful natural remedies, please share with us. For more remedies, subscribe now.